Shalom Aleichem and welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today I'll be making sesame seed bread. So let's start baking. These are the ingredients for the sesame seed bread. For the first part, you'll need 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of lukewarm water, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 8 grams of active dry yeast, and 1/4 cup of olive oil. For the second part, you will need 2 tablespoons of date molasses, half a cup of water, and about 1 to 2 cups of sesame seeds. And this is how your sesame seed bread should look like. Serve it for breakfast and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!